So some people were asking me to make some more videos while I'm in Germany. So I shot a little bit today, and here that is. You know, whenever you're in Germany and sometimes you just feel like having some angry Korean fried chicken? Yeah, me too. So I was showing you guys the angry chicken. Someone's beer exploded on the ground and got my leg really wet. But it's okay, because we're on our way to the street food festival in Kreuzberg. Just gotta find it. So on our way to the street food festival, we found this old church building looking thing. Which, you know, I gotta say, there's not enough old buildings in Germany. So I think that really, you know, gives the place a nice touch of character. Ooh, this is cool. Update, we made it. Thanks to our maps and navigation expert, Tim. Back at the apartment now, it's almost 1 a.m. Pretty slow day. Went out to Kreuzberg, went to the street food festival, which you guys saw. Went to the Hello? Hey, it's me. I'm here to make that apartment tour video you wanted to make tonight.
Oh, the apartment tour. That was tonight, wasn't it?
Did you forget?
It's like 1 o'clock already. I don't even know if I can...
Seriously, just let me in. I'm getting weird looks from people, and this video is already way too weird and meta.
So here's a tour of our apartment, starting with the front door.
Kitchen with our extremely fancy placemats that look like they're woven, but they're actually just paper. Those are my favorite.
We've got a sink. We've got a washing machine. We have a tea kettle that still has someone else's water in it. It's like we're sharing an experience. We have this weird microwave / oven. Not a toaster oven, a microwave oven. We have our toaster, used for toasting. We have whatever this thing is, which I think might be for coffee. And we have our stove, seated spaciously right next to our bottle cap collection. Those are going to be worth something one day. This is our bathroom, which is kind of small but cool. In the room we have our clothes storage space, a lamp, double twin bed pushed together with a headboard, lamp, third bed, curtains, which we don't really ever use, drying rack for our laundry, and then our living area, which is very underutilized. We also have another desk space with all of these weird metal sculptures. Anyway, that's been the room tour. Thanks so much for joining me. It's a little busy and everyone's looking at me weird because I'm filming.